Hi, good morning. Good evening, everyone. So today we will talk about how we can, debug our Angular application. So basically, if you are a developer, you should be, knowing the importance of, debugging any application. So in many scenarios, you may come across that your client, your business, or your company complaining that the site is broken or it's not up and running. So to become a good developer you should be having a good debugging skill. So in our previous video we talked about Angular essential. This is um, extension for the developers which will help you a lot. And in the previous video we had ran our application, and we were running the application on port number for 200 locally. And that time we got to know something is broken. And as of now you can see some error messages appearing on the screen. So basically it is complaining that we are not able to fetch data through API. So basically API is not running, and I have not installed the Visual Studio 2019 or 2022 on my local machine, and because of that I'm not able to run the web application which is based upon Microsoft .NET Core 6.0. So what I have done, this is the product arrays which I have just copied. So this is C sharp array which I have copied, and I have converted the C sharp array to the TypeScript array through online platform. So if you search how to convert TypeScript array to C sharp, you will get more uh, in depth knowledge that how you can achieve that. So basically I've just copied that, and basically let's debug why the it is saying that the site is broken. So for debugging, you have to press Control Shift and I. It will open the developer tool. And if you're not, liking this color, so you can just go to settings, and you can just system theme appearance. You can choose dark. Now you can come back. So now the screen is in the black. Your developer tool is in black color. So now let's refresh the page and see what is broken. So I have just applied the dashboard. So how does this particular file appeared here? So for searching any you can just cross this, you can close all these files. And normally when you open site, the site will be like this. So you can even see it is saying Control P to open file. So just press Control P and then type the your component name. So my component name is dashboard, and I have to go to the component TS file. So I am in TS file, and I just this function get product is responsible for fetching the products. So I've just applied breakpoint on the top level and at the execution level. Once the API call is completed, it will be come here and it will try to bind the result. So let's go back and see what is happening. We have set timeout, and how much time it is going to take. It will something is broken. So we have to understand, we have to apply our breakpoint in the error, and then we have to refresh, and let's see what is happening. So we have catched the error, and what the error message is, the error message will be logged. So toaster message will be there. We have used Angular toaster. So you can see rxr observable webpack means basically it is throwing an error because it is not resulting the data which is required to run this application. So basically I just copied data from here. If you can see, this is my official GitHub page. From there I have just copied it, and I have converted this data. And I have just bind this data into the product service. So as of now we were making HTTP service call, so we have to safely comment this. And if you go in the bottom, so there is a function called get products. So get products function is responsible for you just see how it is written the code. And if you see how the this product array has many products inside, and it is returning. So the naming convention which you have to follow while you are working in TypeScript, that your function name, then clone. And if you are not returning anything, you can safely type void. Don't leave it blank, keep it void, otherwise you can I'm just returning observable of product module. So this is product module which I have created. So if you see, these are the property of this module. Basically, the writing uh, convention for this TypeScript is totally different. If you are using C sharp, then you have to write your your data type of your property, then data type name, then you have to assign get and set. So this is not likewise. You have to just product ID and colon and the number. So TypeScript has three data type: number, string, and boolean. So that we have applied, and we are returning. So basically we have just copied from GitHub, converted that C sharp array to TypeScript array, and we have assigned the value into it. But we have to call this into our this get you know uh, function. So let's call get product. So get products will return the list of all the products. We have to uh, return this. Sorry, the keyboard is not working. Okay, so return this. So whatever the result will be from this function will be return back to the API service call. Just go back to your Angular tool, just try to refresh the page and see if everything is working. Now you can see the website is up and running, everything is live. You can see the product details, price, and this. If you want to refresh page again, refresh, so you will get more inside. So basically this site is a demo of the commercial website, which you can just see the Amazon, Flipkart. Likewise we have created for training purpose. So this is how we have fixed the issue by debugging the Angular application. You have to just press Control Shift I and whatever component you want to debug. So this is the this you can do with any browser, and that is easily available. But what is the feature which is given by the Angular community? So we have Angular Dev tools, which is basically extension for the development of Angular. You can just add safely to your Chrome, add extension, and it will add the extension in your file. So it was adding the Angular. Now Angular has been added, and if you see, if you refresh your browser, you will get the Angular tool, dev tool into your system. So let's check if it has been added. So yeah, you can see here the Angular is added. Angular dev tool support version this. So it is added, or it is saying that Angular is supported version 12. So basically all the will come and will cover Angular 12 topic in our next video, and through this tool you can debug all these things. Okay, so this was the small presentation how you can debug your you know uh, Angular application, how the things work, and everything works fine. So if you see, our website is live. We are very much happy to see this, and we'll come back with our next video about Angular creation part, how you can use Angular other platforms and other essential DLLs which are available. Till then, take care. We'll come up and we'll catch you in the next video. Thank you. uh, one small request for you, that if you willing to learn technology, please keep uh, notification on, and please subscribe our channel so you'll get all the notifications for our next videos. Take care. Bye. Great day.